Hey everyone, this is Randy Lam, Autobot Off-Road. So finally, a new era has begun. We have here Hyundai Starex, yung luma pa before the Staria. But anyway, as early as 10 o'clock in the morning, we are now working several units. Itong dalawa Propender suspension, but this is not just an ordinary upgrade right here. We have Propender Queen Series, adjustable pa rin yung height and adjustable parang 8-way. And these suspensions right here are all rebuildable. So I'm very excited kasi I myself has one. We have a personal Starex that we're waiting for this suspension. So meron na tayo pang mga Alphard, Grandia Elite, Staria, Starex, RAV4, CRB, Sea Lion, and even the Teslas and many more units. Propose na lang namin yung lahat. The stocks have already landed, but we are very much excited. Pinull out lang namin tong isa to start on this Starex kasi matagal nang nag-pre-order tong client. So later, we'll do the test drive, we'll do the fine-tuning, and let's see kung nag-improve ba talaga yung ride. Enjoy the video.
Guys, kaka-install lang ng first ever Propender series para sa Grand Starex. Ito si Sir, nagpipill up lang. Pero Sir, paalam lang namin, test drive lang namin. Yes, sir. So yun. Tara, test drive natin. Na-install natin na it's a front and rear suspension. It's a standard height specific for this van, which is the Grand Starex 2016 model. Pero pasok to sa mga 2017 to 2020 model. Hindi nagbago yung height. As you can see, ito yung sa rear, tapos yung front. Then na-camber natin na yan. Pero ngayon, magte-test drive lang tayo. May mga kasama tayong mag-test drive. Nandito, si Max, si Randy, and si Dexter. So tara, test drive natin.
So testing nyo yung harap, testing mo Dex yung gitna, ako testing sa likod.
Ito, nag-upgrade na ng mags and tires si Sir. So talagang kailangan i-upgrade din yung suspension. Tsaka 2016 model, so 8 years talagang due na for upgrade yung suspension.
Hindi matalbog dito sa likod kasi usually yung naka-Starex din tayo. So matalbog, hindi kaya kukuhan dito, pero try natin. Pero suggestion mo kayo sa mga clients natin, pasettle muna natin, tapos pwede nila ibalik sa atin.
Yes, para tayo yung unang mag-a-adjust, then ituturo natin sa kanila. Kasi madali naman siyang i-adjust, pero kailangan lang natin alam paano yung proper. Kasi baka hindi nila ma-adjust nung tama. Kunwari, yung kabila 6, yung kabila 4, hindi maganda yung ride. Kailangan pantay. So, the best thing is ibalik muna sa 0, tapos saka sila magbilang yung rebound niya. So yun, wala pa tayong adjustment, naka-factory settings pa lang to, pero pwede nga natin laruin yung... And of course, the only suspension available for a Starex. Mostly kasi yung mga OEM lang, stock lang. So ito, it's rebuildable, repairable, at saka na-adjust, na-tune. Actually lalaban tayo ng money back guarantee dito kasi kung yung hindi yung nag-improve, tapos hindi nagbago yung ride, imposible.
As you can see, everyone, this is the very first Propender fixed series na kinabitan natin. Nagkamali ako kanina, akala ko Queen kasi magkamukha talaga. So, Queen series is yung mga pang-off-road, mga tinataas. Ganda ng bagsak ngayon, no?
Lalalim ng lubak, no?
So, Queen series is yung mga off-road, pwedeng stock, pwedeng iangat. Fixed series is just the stock height, and the drip series yung ilo-lowered. So, parating na po yan lahat. Actually, andyan na, inaayos na namin. But this is how it really works with Autobot Off-Road. We really do the test drive dito nga lahat ng team leaders para ma-check din talaga kung okay ba talaga yung performance ng mga suspension na kinakabit natin. Makuha rin natin yung proper tuning and adjustment sa clients.
Tayo, no? Hindi yung ramdam.
Pag yung dati, ramdam mo yung alog niya.
Oo.
Ngayon, hindi naman na.
Kung inikot siya namin sa kanina, ang ganda na ride.
Hindi mo naramdam kahit yung lubak na hindi ka na
Saka sakay, boss?
bagyo.
Ako ito na yung biyahe.
Doon matetesting.
Doon matetesting talaga.
Yes, number 1.